Good day, everybody. Today, BC Auto has a 2020 Chevy Trax, 43,000 miles on it. It's hitting the rear. Blew the side airbags. Blew the passenger seat airbag. Also blew the passenger rear seat airbag. Took out the rear bumper. It does have the factory floor mats. Got a good tailgate on it. This is where the main damage is right here. All the damage, I should say. Took out the quarter, right rear door. Both mirrors got jacked up somehow, not sure how. Gouge there in the bumper. Lower valance got boogered up. Does have a sweet sounding little motor. All our parts do come with a 6-month warranty. You can shop online at bcauto.net, or you can check out our eBay store, BC Auto INC. If you're looking for any Chevy Trax parts, check us out. Give us a call. Come on down. All right, guys. That's all we got for now. Appreciate your time. Everybody have a great day.